Oh my god, hello, good morning, welcome to Vlogmas Day 1. I am so stupidly late and I think that's gonna be the theme of the day. I'm trying to both breathe and move my body, and it's two things I don't like to do. I'm supposed to be in an exercise class at 8 and it's a mile away and I'm walking and it is not close.
Maybe I've been going nowhere lately. It's time to start all over.
Hello everyone, I'd like to introduce you to the reason why I got up at 7 a.m. to do a class and then they never showed up!
I'm sorry, my phone was being reset, that stupid software thing, you know, when it asks you if you want to reset the software, but you say no, but then it does it anyway.
I have an iPhone, so I can't relate.
Yeah, I have an Android too, that's another reason to hate me.
We're gonna go meet our other friend Danica for breakfast. Apparently right now, because Joe is going. Cheers, me Joseph.
Cheers to a prosperous harvest. Hopefully our corn lives through the winter.
The internet roasted you because you're not good. I got a hate comment. Oh, and I guess Joe's still here.
Do you guys ever see Get Out?
I didn't know that this would be like so fluffy.
Yeah, this is the thing that they're known for. Are you excited? I got a fried tomato Benedict, which I'm gonna split with the other vegetarian.
I'm gonna share and she's gonna share with me because we're communists.
Hi friends, today is a day when we say goodbye to my little car. So yeah, hi, I haven't really talked to you today, but I worked out. I'm very tired. I did the exercise. Joe was supposed to come with me and then he just slept in like an idiot. Oh, Ira's here. And Ira's here because we're gonna clean my car. Because, well, I already got it detailed because I'm selling it. So I have to take everything out of here, just vacuum the front pieces that we've gotten dirty, and then we're gonna drive it to the place to get it sold. I was doing all kinds of stuff, so I'll see you in a bit. Okay, folks, she's clean. Oh, I gotta get my Taylor Swift CD out of here. She's clean, look at her. Oh, you will be missed, little Subaru. It is time. I'll explain more on this later when I'm in better lighting. But yeah, I'm gonna go drop it off. I'm kind of sad. You were a good time. You got me all the way from Michigan. You got me around Michigan. Then you got me all the way out here to the West Coast. I hope you go to a good home. I appreciate you. You were a wonderful time. I'm a little sad. A little sad, but I'm not sad. Okay, this car is so loud. I'm not that sad, I guess. Friends, it's done. We got a contract. We got things. It's not actually sold. I just gave it to a guy to consign, but it's out of my life, which is what I wanted.
The Ducks lost last week, which was a bummer, but the team had been fourth before that, and they just had shaky win after shaky win. The parents said they want.
Thor had to get a haircut, for those of you that don't follow me on Instagram. And it has been... Look at this creepy tail. Have any of you ever seen a Pomeranian's tail when it's shaved? Because I hadn't until this moment. And by this moment, I mean when he got his haircut. Oh, it's the worst. That's why we put this sweater on him, so he hides it. Yeah. I don't mean to shame you, but... Oh, look at it go! It's so creepy! There was one point where it wrapped around Ira's wrist. It's just something out of an alien movie, and it's horrifying. We must do the hard things, and that is standing. Okay, friends, she's standing. you know? As some of you may know, I am a little Sagittarius baby. She was born in December, and so, you know, as like a little happy birthday to me, I was like, you know, maybe we could just make ourselves look cute because we're not going anywhere this year, but you gotta do something, you know. So anyways, I look dead, but that's okay. It's a vibe, it's a look, you know. Could be worse, could actually be. We're actually starting Vlogmas a little early. We're gonna post on time, but we're starting a little early specifically because today I'm getting hair extensions. Again, if you followed me for a minute, you know I have really thin hair. I just have like very non-existent, like it's both thin and fine and damaged. Like the trifecta of non-existent hair. I think I'm just gonna have kind of like a little share moment of just like very long dark hair over the titties. I would love to be blonde. Also, I always enjoy a good red. Truly what the issue with red is right now is like, because, which is a whole conversation we'll have later, but because I'm doing a lot of like acting and modeling stuff, primarily with acting, the modeling isn't as hard, but with acting, like there are 2 roles for redheads and they are filled. And so I was like, I feel like I have to be blonde or brunette, and it's just like, I know I'm gonna go back to being blonde, but I feel like it's just like a new season, you know? It's a new time. So we've done the brown. Okay, before I go, I need you to look at this. I need you to acknowledge and experience. I have a whole layer of hair that has grown. I will put this creepy picture in that I sent everyone. I literally thought these were baby hairs. It is a whole layer. It looks like I got an undercut. Like, it's so much, and it's also already grown so fast. Like, I have hair down to here. Oh my god. So like pinning my hair up has been nuts because I have to like,
dreams, baby. What can I do when a million things are running through?
Friends, there's so much hair it doesn't even fit in the frame. Cher could never. Oh. Okay, first of all, the money that this cost, I was not ready. I'm emotionally in shell shock, as they say, but also then I look at myself and I look at all of my hair and I'm like, you know, life happens. I'm not suggesting you do this. I'm not suggesting this is a healthy financial relationship, but also I'm not suggesting, okay, look, people, I wish you were at a better angle. I got keratin extensions, which that's why my wallet is crying, but they're supposed to be, and I think they actually are, much healthier for your hair. So my hair should continue its growing journey. These are supposed to be very low maintenance. So at night I put it in a braid, which is what I literally already do with my hair, so it's not that big of a deal, but you do need to brush it 3 times a day, she said. And because they're bonds, like she said, you want to brush straight through them because as I live my life, like my hair will shed. And she's like, the problem is, and that's how people get really matted hair, is people don't brush through the bonds, and so then you get like your hair stuck in it and then it becomes like a big rat's nest. So she's like, as long as you're brushing through it 3 times a day, I'll be fine. But this is, I don't know if you can see anything. I'm gonna try. This is what the little bonds look like. Doo -doo -doo -doo. I don't know if that was helpful in any way, sense, or shape, but this is what we're doing. This is the hair. This is what's happening. I'm kind of like telling myself maybe I can do my own roots or something, or maybe now there's so much hair I can kind of like pull it off as my roots grow in. So like ideally if I'm getting it dyed less, I can justify the amount of hair that's in my head, but I don't know. We're just gonna see how it goes, dude. I just want to do it. Like, I truly am living my dream hair right now. She's just now infatuated with her own beauty. I kind of think we're gonna call this it for day one of Vlogmas, only because despite looking amazing and beautiful, I'm sleepy and I'm going to bed. We're gonna continue this tomorrow. It'll be a good time. I know we did nothing Christmassy today, but don't tell me this isn't festive, you know? So, okay, go brush your hair. Maybe eat a nice plate of leftovers, because that's what I'm gonna do, and have a nice day. Bye. Thank you for watching. I will see you tomorrow.